Hi everyone, welcome to the session. Today we are going to talk about two key components in Azure monitoring. One is the Azure Monitor Agent and the data collection rule. By the end of the session, you will understand what they are, why they matter, and we will even walk through a quick demo to see them in action. What is Azure Monitor Agent? So think of AMA as the collector. It runs on your Windows or Linux machines and gathers telemetry like performance counters, logs, and metrics. It's the modern replacement for older agents like MMA and diagnostic extension. Now, what is data collection rule? DCR is the instrument set for AMA. It defines what data to collect, example Windows event logs, syslog, performance counters, and where to send it, like destinations like Log Analytics Workspace, metrics, or event hub, and how to process it, like using transformations and filtering. So let's start with the demo. I have a virtual machine already created, and we will be sending logs to a Log Analytics Workspace with the help of AMA Agent and DCR. First, what I'll do is, let me duplicate this tab. I will search for data collection rules. I will search for Log Analytics Workspace. Let me create one. I will select my resource group, provide a name for my Log Analytics Workspace. As for the region, I'll provide as North Europe. You can provide the region of your choice. Now, the virtual machine can be in any other region, but it is capable of sending logs to a Log Analytics Workspace in another region as well. Click on Review plus Create. My Log Analytics Workspace is created. Let me click on Go to Resource, and this is my workspace. The next step is to create the data collection rule. The global search, let me search for data collection rule. I'll create one. Provide the name for my data collection rule as Windows DCR. I'll select my resource group. As for the region, I'll select as North Europe, where my workspace is. As for the platform type, my virtual machine is Windows. So I will be selecting the platform type as Windows. If it is a Linux, you can click on Linux. If you are planning to include both the machines on the DCR, you can select as all. As for the data collection endpoint, I will leave it as none. We'll discuss on what a data collection endpoint in the coming videos. Click on Next. Click on Add Resources. I'll select my virtual machine, click on Apply, click on Next, click on Add Data Source. Under the drop down for data source type, I will select performance counters. Now, whichever logs you want to send, you can select as per your choice. We will discuss on the different type of log types in the coming videos. As for now, I will just select performance counters. Leave everything as default. Click on Next. Click on Add Destination. As for the destination, I am planning to send my logs to the Log Analytics Workspace. So click on Azure Monitor Logs. Under Destination, select your Log Analytics Workspace. Click on Add Data Source. Hit on Review plus Create. And before I create this, let me go back to my virtual machine. Let me type in extensions. On the left, select extensions. Here, as you can see, I do not have any extensions as of now. Let me go back to my DCR and click on Create. When our DCR is created, whichever resources we have added under the DCR will have the AMA agent installed. Alright, my DCR is created as well. Under set configuration, I can go to data sources and I will see the rule which I have created. Under resources, I will be able to see my virtual machine. Let me hit on refresh. After refreshing my page, I'm able to see my virtual machine under my DCR. Let me go back to my virtual machine. Hit on refresh under extensions. And I am able to see my Azure Monitor Windows agent, the AMA agent installed. The status is provisioning succeeded. Now this will automatically start to send the performance counters which I have specified in my DCR to the Log Analytics Workspace. Now to confirm connectivity, let me search for logs on the left for my virtual machine. This will show us a page of the Log Analytics Workspace. I'll close this box. Under the type of mode, I'll select as KQL. Let me search heartbeats. You might not start to see the heartbeats immediately. You'll have to wait for approximately 5 minutes and the logs will start to ingest. After waiting for a couple of minutes, when I click on run, I have started to see the heartbeat logs. And let me search for performance counters. The performance counter table is PERF. Click on run. And I'm able to see my performance counter logs as well. Let me go back to my Log Analytics Workspace. If I search for heartbeat over here, I get the same visibility for my virtual machine over here as well. Let me search the performance table. Alright, so this is how you can install the AMA agent on your virtual machine. And you can query for the logs in your Log Analytics Workspace and under the logs tab of your virtual machine. Hope you guys found this video useful. So leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.